How to create rules in Outlook? Okay, you can create specific you can create the labels for specific folder, or you can filter your emails. Okay, so I'm going to show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open my Outlook app. Okay, so here I'm on my Outlook. So guys, let me go in my inbox. So here you can see I got the emails from many companies, and so I want to move this Pinterest email from this Pinterest uh, to specific folder. Okay, so here you can see, you can just right click on email and go to the rules, and you can create the always move from the Pinterest. And now you can choose the folder from here, or you create the new folder from here. But before that, you choose the mail ID. Okay, you have to choose the mailbox or email ID, because when you create the new folder, so it will be create individually. If you want to create subfolder, then choose the folder, any folder, and create the subfolder from here. Then the folder, new folder will be create under this inbox like this. Okay, so I want to create the new folder, so just I need to click on email ID. Now go to the Pinterest new folder and type the folder name. I type the Pinterest email only. So this done. Now click on OK. Okay, the all Pinterest mail will be moved on this Pinterest only. So you can see the Pinterest here. Okay, there is the 10 emails from Pinterest, and in future if I get any emails, it will be moved here only. So this is for mail. You can select any mail and you can create the rules. But if you want to create rules manually and properly, then I'll show you. Go to the home and go to the rules under the move, and go to the manage rules and alert. And here in the email rules, you can see the apply the changes this folder. So if you are using the more than one email ID, then here you can select the email IDs to, so where you want to create the rules. So I just select this email ID. So I have one rules here already, so I just delete it. Now to create the labels for emails or filters emails, go to the new rules, and here choose the move message from someone to folder. And these two commands you have to give. First command is the email ID or people that you want to move. Just click on here, and here you can choose the email ID from your contacts. You can switch your contacts from here. Okay, you can also write the manual contacts email ID here. Just click on it. If you want to choose from your mailbox, just choose the email ID and just select the from. It will be select here. Now I can write the manual also. Write the manual email ID here. You can enter the many emails. Just simply hit the semicolon and type the another email and just be continue. I want to one email only, so just click on OK. Now the email has been done. Now you have to choose the folders or labels. Just click on create. As I show you, if you want to create, just select the email ID where you want to create the folders. So select this email ID only, where you have choose here first in this section. You choose email ID, that's only you have to choose here. Now you can create the new folders, or you can create the subfolder only. You have to choose the folder and create the new. So I just select the email ID, create the new folder here, that is netcast emails new, and just select it. Then folder has been created. I have to select the folder, and now just click on OK. Now you have to click on next. So there is a two condition we have selected on this computer only. Okay, so we have selected two specific condition. You can also select the other condition if you want. There is a lots of condition. Click on next. There is an exception, you can choose next. Here also exception you can choose if you want. Here the save rules option, where you can see the run this rule now on message already in inbox. So if you want to run these rules to your existing email in inbox, you can check it. So it will be move your all emails from this person from inbox to this folder only. Okay, so just select the this one and just finish. Then this will only run when the check email in Outlook, only run when you check your email in Outlook. If Outlook isn't run, this rule won't be work email. Okay, this rule will be only run when you check your email in Outlook. Okay, so this is rule for only Outlook, not others. Okay, so this is for Gmail only, because and just apply and okay. Okay, then this rule will be created and you can see the folder has been created here. Netcast email, new email, and the all email has been come here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.